we're keeping on this conversation moving forward into maybe what you think about when you're inside your vehicle. In fact, how often do we think about the experience that we're having in our car? Well, this next group thought about it quite a bit. They looked at in-car intelligence and the new experience, and they're here to tell us about their pilot project. So this is our second one being presented here on the stage today, between, of course, the startup and the entrepreneurial side and the corporate coming together. So for this project presentation, please help me welcome to the stage Daniel of Pulsetrain and Andreas of Mercedes-Benz. Welcome to the stage.
So welcome to our pilot talk. My name is Andreas Schober. I work at the Department for Drivetrain Innovations at Mercedes-Benz. And today I have the pleasure of giving insights in our collaboration together with Daniel Rosikait from Pulsetrain. And yeah, multi-level battery is the topic. We wanted to get into hardware testing quickly in order to enable this technology for automotive use cases. And the pace of Pulsetrain was an excellent match for that. So, challenge for electric cars development is well known, I guess. One important thing, of course, is fast charging, high currents. And we have to handle these high currents before we can enable new fascinating possibilities. So the idea is to add software-controlled semiconductor switches into the battery. And as an engineer, I like the idea to bring in functionality direct to the battery in order to get new possibilities. So for example, it can be seen a little bit in the lights there, though you can switch all the battery cells or cell clusters in the way you want, for example, for adaptation to infrastructure, charging infrastructure, or balancing things. So some insights from Pulsetrain for next.
So I give you some insights, what is Pulsetrain doing and where we are from. So we are starting in 2024 and from Munich. Now we are about 50 people, and we do software. And to be able to do software, we need a hardware. So we also do PCB hardware and bring them together. And with Mercedes, we had the possibility to try some things. And we have some really good possibilities to decrease the lithium plating on battery cells, which kills the battery at the end, so longer the lifetime with that. And we are also possible with switching the cell level. We are able to decrease the temperature in the cells itself and also decrease the temperature hotspots on a battery. And what comes also to it is a higher security standard. We are just on cell level and not on the HV anymore when we turn off the battery pack. That's enabled a lot of good things, and now we come what we did together, and maybe I hand over again to you, Andreas.
Yeah, together we designed a kind of prototype you can see here, for example with cylindric cells, but it could also be prismatic cells as well. So the task was to handle the big charging currents. We did that. And now we are ready for the highlights mentioned there. So fast charging, extended cell lifespan, and the larger usable voltage range. So that means we could select a voltage, we can fix the voltage independent from state of charge, for example, and so on and so on and so on. More to come here. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.
All right. And now, I guess, first of all, thank you so much for showcasing your achievements. For us, this collaboration is really an outstanding example for how world-class German deep tech is accelerating the future of electric mobility. So we selected Mercedes-Benz and Pulsetrain for demonstrating how breakthrough innovation is rapidly moved from concept to industrial validation. But before we come to the next part, I guess it's the point where we have a round of applause for the team, which is also behind that. So welcome the team of Mercedes-Benz and Pulsetrain on stage. All right, so we're delighted to recognize and celebrate together with you with handing over the award for plug-and-play mobility to your major success. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And now I guess it's time to have a couple words from you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much to the Pulsetrain employees for the good cooperation. Many thanks for our Mercedes colleagues for support and help. And a special thanks for Plug and Play, which organized this beautiful event and prepared this special stage for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, then let's do a group picture and then